Well, here we are on the project I've been working on for about the last month. And just wanted you to take a look at it. And I think in the pictures I showed, or in the other short video, I think I was about in here someplace. So I've added some more trees. There's some down in there. And I have finished this side of the tunnel. And I'll explain the open area here later on. I did ballast in between, and I did start working on the other side. And I'll also explain why I can't do the track up here on the upper level just yet. So just wanted to show you where it's at. Okay, down here, this is the gravel yard. Pardon me while I get down. It used to be, I was going to call this Bubba's, but I had a decal for Great Plains gravel, and I went ahead and used that. So we did the yard around the building and the paved road, and I ended it right in here. And as you can see, the upper level is partially done. I went back and repainted some of the water. There's a few outbuildings that I do want to put in the yard here. For the trucks, there's an outhouse or a men's and ladies room type building, and then a shack that'll control access. But I don't want to do any more over here until I get I'm going to jump up again. Okay, up in this open area are going the Walthers refinery kits. I have 3 of them that are going to go in here. They're going to go on a piece of masonite that I'm going to be covering with a very thin piece of styrene or ABS, I forget what it is. And then I'll put that in and finish the track on that upper level. But for now, that's where it's going to be. But anyway, we'll just declare this area done for the time being. Here in Central Texas, we finally got some really, really good rain last night. And as the weather kind of cools down, I've started measuring for the fascia. I have to do it outside, so I need it to be a little cooler than 97 degrees. So it looks like it might be breaking right now. So, but anyway, that's where we stand with this project. And so, like I said, we'll declare this one. It's 99% done. So we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, everybody, and your comments.